I'm missing out on questions, I'm so sorry. I'm online. Haila, okay. So you guys should play the daily solitaire. It's my favorite, and the 2048 lines also. I really like that game. Anyway, now I'm going to be creating a room. I'm giving you 5 minutes to join it. Join. Oh my god. So this is how we're going to be playing. So I'm going to create a room. I'll be creating a room and you guys have to join it. And let's create a room, yeah? Play with friends. So I'm creating a room. तो guys, जिन लोगों ने नहीं डाउनलोड किया है, please go and download this app by going on my bio and clicking on the link. Paytm's first games app. Okay. I'm creating a room. Come on, you guys. That's the code. 4199. 4199. 4199. Guys, come on. Rajput Kushi, I don't know what you're asking me because I think the questions are going on. Come on. 419999. 4199. We got our users. We've got Netri, we've got Nance, we've got Siddhi. So guys, here everyone is. Okay, so I'm gonna take my, it's my turn. I'm gonna take the phone in the other direction so that you can play with me and you can enjoy this. Okay, so let's do this. मैं बहुत चपर करती हूँ ना, sorry guys. So let's play this. I hope you guys are enjoying, and it's getting very hot, so please keep yourself hydrated. Remember, drink lots of water, drink lots of Nibu Pani, chas, and have light things because it's getting like very, very hot. Don't have heaty things. Avoid eating mangoes because they're giving a lot of pimples. So chalo, so big hello to Siddhi, Nance and Maitri. So Siddhi _021, what's up? मेरी टर्न ही नहीं आ रही, मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ ना, ये गेम पे आप मुझे मार सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. You can do anything you want. But thank you, I was complimenting me with my oily hair. Thank you. Why am I not getting to play? Oh, this is so unfair. मुझे भी लूडो खेलना है. Okay. So guys, you should download this app, Paytm's first games app. It's amazing. It's got so many games and you can play it with all your friends all around the world, especially all Android users. And I think Android, let's see, yeah, Android versus, so give me a thumbs up for Android and give me a high five for iPhone. Let's do that. Please have a look at my letter. Where's your letter? Firstly, I'm not getting my turn to play. It's very upsetting. So let me see what's happening. ये देखो, ये somebody sending my. Finally, I got a turn. Finally, my turn came. Finally. साथ में खेले, हम खेल ही रहे हैं. Oh, so you know they give the positions also. जैसे आप बढ़ते जाओगे या घटते जाओगे, they'll give you number positions. But guys, don't get disheartened. It's always okay, even if you're last, because it's a game and games are all fun. And give me some luck, yeah. Every time I can't win, so if I lose in this game, enjoy. दी मुझे भी खेलना है, so we will play next time for sure. Oh, damn. Okay, everybody is not going to be reading all the games, all the messages. I think you guys are sending my daddy a lot of requests. I should just do this. So Nance, what's your full name? If you're here, please tell me your full name and your name. Oh God, my concentration is on both places. तुम्ही से. So what's up guys? How's the weather? How's everything going? How's the heat? No one's giving me a thumbs up for Androids. Everyone's using iPhone kya? What's happening? I hate getting killed यार. मैसेज तूने मैसेज ही कौन सी ही बताई है. बाप रे बाप. Okay. So guys, you can also help me out in this game and tell me what, if I'm going wrong or what move should I make. So always you can help me. We can help each other. We can win. You can make me win. I love cheating and I love a lot of. Ouch! That hurts. मैत्री ने सिद्धि को मारा. Oh my god, why am I so... Android. Okay, I'm getting Androids. That's iOS dumb. Okay, thumbs up, thumbs up. I'm getting Androids. I'm getting Androids. Okay. So, which is the best Android phone that is going on the market? What's your favorite app on the Android store? Again. We're getting all Facebook requests from you all to my dad, huh, guys? Okay. सिद्धि मेरे को मत मार देना यार प्लीज. हम तो छोटे बच्चे हैं. Oh my god. I'm very scared. I hope you get 5 and 6 and 6 and 6. So you forget that I'm in front of you. Oh Lord Jesus Christ. PUBG is your favorite app on your phones. Okay, I think PUBG को एक बारी थोड़ा break देके try Paytm's first games. I think you guys will enjoy it a lot. There are so many games you can play. Oh my god. No, no. Ouch. Are you guys competitive? Because I don't know. I think I am. I hate losing. नहीं, but I always lose. अब because मुझे kill किया है सिद्धि ने, अब मुझे भी kill करना. एक मौका दे दो भगवान. PUBG is my boyfriend. Yeah, PUBG is my boyfriend. Woohoo! See, I'm getting all requests over here on my dad's Facebook. Guys, don't send requests. He won't accept. Facebook is a private affair. My turn. Okay. Yeah, मैं फंस गई हर जगह से. चलो. No. This is so unfair. Guys, your favorite app should be Paytm's first game because it's amazing. I'm gonna kill you, Siddhi. यार 6 कैसे मुझे 4 मिल गए. I thought you got 6. Is Nance out of the game? Where is Nance? Staying at the star, I think, is the best. And today I'm fumbling a lot. I don't know why. Sandeep is my dad's name. That's why Sandeep. Cheers! Woohoo! Sorry. Don't mind me doing this. I do this a lot. My dad's keypad sounds are very like aankh mare, like aankh mare wala thing. Anyway, who thinks I talk a lot? Thumbs up please, because I do talk a lot. Chapar chapar khole muh ka shutter. That will be me. Did you know I could say this? Damn. आप हमसे बात ही नहीं करें. आप मुझसे पूछो प्रश्न, कुछ भी पूछो. I am right here. Oh my god, Maitri, don't kill me. Are you guys the... okay, take the coin out instead. Hayla. Hayla. मेरी लाइफ इतनी खराब हो गई, इतनी खराब हो गई, इतनी खराब हो गई. माय गॉड. प्लीज ऐड मी. आई एम प्लेइंग अ गेम. इन द मिडल ऑफ द गेम आई कांट ऐड यू. नो, किल करो ना. किसको किल? नंबर तो आने दो. आई थिंक मैत्री नैंस इज आउट. सॉरी. Like really now, oh my god, you guys literally took it seriously कि if you wanna kill me यही मौका है, सारी भड़ास निकाल सब निकाल ही रहे हैं। अयो अयप्पा, save me। And guys, say hi to Sohail, please say hi to him, he troubles me a lot and I think you all should DM him and trouble him, make me proud। I am not going to be making anyone proud today for sure। 4 gone, today is not a lucky day because today is Chumpy Bal day। okay, let's hope slow and steady wins the race। चलो सब सोहेल पटेल को ट्रबल करो बिकॉज वो हमें oh my god, who killed Siddhi? Very good, I'm with you। what is this one? ऐसा कभी होता है कि गेम में 1 ही मिलता है? Damn, you know why? Because I didn't get blue, otherwise generally blue is my favorite color when I'm playing and it's very lucky for me। And Maitri, I have no other option, okay? I only have one goatee which is carrying on, so if you get out, I'm sorry, but ये सिद्धि वापस आ गई। I am scared of you। Your commentary, I'm loving it। I think I should become an anchor because I will be killing it। I should be like a chabar। Oh my lord, सिद्धि को कोई आउट करो यार, बहुत हो गया अब, इट्स ट्रबलिंग। तुमसे ही मैं खत्म रहूंगी हमेशा, शुरू हो तुमसे ही मैं खत्म भी तुम। I hope this song brings me luck, yeah। Oh my god, it actually brought me luck। Woohoo! Okay, शुरू हो, now I'll keep singing the song। शुरू हो तुमसे ही मैं खत्म, तुमसे ही मैं। Siddhi is really playing very good। बहु फाइन खेले छे, सबको आउट कर रही है। Okay। So guys, what are you doing this summer? But like, how are you all keeping yourselves occupied in lockdown 4.0? I'm trying to read all your messages while playing, okay? But if you guys haven't downloaded this app, I think you should because it's amazing and all Android users इन्हीं के लिए बना है ये, और ये बहुत मस्त है। बहुत सारे गेम्स है, लूडो इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एंड इवन द सॉलिटेयर, इट्स अमेजिंग। सो यू गाइस कैन हेल्प मी। ओह माय लॉर्ड, वापस आउट कर देगा कोई, इट्स नॉट फेयर। तमे पंच सारू खेल छो, आउट हो गई ना मैं, बस हो गया, बोल दिया। Listen, will you come to Chennai? Right now, I don't think I can travel. I should not travel anywhere. I think you should also not travel. I am talking in Guju. This is the maximum I know. Neeti Twitter session. I will. Maitri भी चुपचाप खेल रही है, okay? This is it, yeah. कितना हारूंगी मैं आज? एक बार क्या बोल दिया कि guys, kill me, do whatever you want to take, do with me, all your frustration out। ये तो ज़्यादा ही frustration निकल गया हो। अभिलाष, मेरे पास नोकिया है, इस पर ये गेम चल। यस, अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट है तो चल पाएगा। आप डाउनलोड करके देखिए, अगर आपके पास प्ले स्टोर है तो देखिए। अभिलाष Guys, please say hello to Abhilash because he comes on all my lives and I love the support and the friendliness. बस भाई मेरे को आउट मत करो अभी, मैं वैसे भी लूजर की तरह आई एम जस्ट इन द एंड. Come to London. Okay. I think first I should just go to Bombay. I think that'll be my first aim. When will you post your parents' love story? Oh wow, that is a good idea. I will make an episode on that. I didn't know you guys want to hear that. Hey, अभिलाष इतनी तारीफ मत करो, हम फिसल जाएंगे. Lots of love from New Zealand. I hope you guys are doing well. Any cooking videos be for snacks? ये मेरा खुद का कैसे चला ये I don't know. Wow, now magic is also happening. Hi Chandni. Chandni also plays this game with me because she also has an Android phone and she loves Paytm's first game app. Like she loves it. We guys play a lot. So if you guys find Chandni, which app is this? This is Paytm's first game app and it's amazing. You should play this. Chandni and I also play a lot of Chandni, we should also play. We play this. What is wrong with you? हम खेलते हैं ये. So we play a lot of Ludo. Hey Chandni, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में चांद कैसा है? अच्छा, okay. Guys, my friends are witty and they're so cute. All of them. I mean now, Hana? We will play this after this game, you know, our time at 10 o'clock. I think we play that time only. चांदी और मैं भी बहुत मजे करते हैं साथ में. My name is Talk to Me. Oh, okay. Guys, I am talking to you side by side. Try my level best to be coordinated. And also those of you who just joined, this game is okay, wait. Come on. My first out. Oh my god, itni khushi, Bhagwan, itni khushi. I love this. Not a lucky roll this was, yeah. Okay, so like I was saying, whoever joined in, this is the Paytm's first game app and it's amazing. You can play a lot of games on it. It has interesting games and also it's only for Android users and it's amazing. You can play with all your friends around the world, around the globe, anywhere. बहुत मजा आता है. You just have to create a room and you can just, you know, start playing with your loved ones. So I'm playing with my loved ones who little bit hate me right now, but yes, nevertheless. आपकी voice बहुत प्यारी है. Thank you so much. I think I should become a radio jockey also, but I can't. But they are very talented. They can sing and all. If someone hears me singing, Haila. A lot of love back to you guys too, yeah. So when you play Ludo, which is your favorite color? Like my favorite color whenever I play Ludo is blue. Yes, I remember the bridesmaid wala Paytm game Ludo. Yeah, I remember. We were playing, like we had so much fun. So all my bridesmaid, we all download. So after that live session, they all were like, "यार हमें भी खेलना है." तो I created a group and all my bridesmaids, we all were playing this game. And guess who won? Chandni won. So guys, you can do this with your bridesmaids. You can do it with whoever you want to, with your friends, with your loved ones. So all you gotta do is download the Paytm's first game app. And now we have Ananya also here. All my friends are here. Yeah, we Chandni and me, we barely talk because we're only playing games. I think, yeah, that's all we do. Thanks, Chandni. I love you, bro. You know, anyone can get tired of talking. I think I can get tired of talking too. Okay. Travel safe. So, are you going to wear white gown for your wedding? नहीं, I am. No, अभी यार शादी का कुछ पता ही नहीं है. मैं क्या बोलूँ? White gown तो नहीं पहनने वाली. नहीं, प्लीज सिद्धि, प्लीज. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा? तुम्हारे दो अंदर चले गए घर. Have some love for me. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is the Ludo on Paytm's first games app. It's amazing. I love it. I have a lot of fun because I played with all my friends. बड़ा मजा आता है. Okay, guys, which one? Damn! Oh my god, I think it was a technical glitch. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, let me. Okay, sorry, guys. I think it was a. Sorry. I think my phone is also tired today. Okay, so sorry, guys. It was a technical glitch. So now the game is over, but again playing it will be a little more of work, and my hand is hurting because I'm holding my phone like this and playing like this. But I am hoping that Siddhi wins this game, and if you win it, please do tag me. And first Paytm game, please tag us both if you guys win, whoever wins, that is. And all the best to Maitri and Siddhi, because now it's between the two of you. So all the very best, and may the best girl win. Maitri, I'm on your side, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this with me. And आप कभी भी खेल सकते हो अपने लव्ड वंस के साथ. जिसके साथ खेलना है आप उनके साथ खेल सकते हो, अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ खेल सकते हो. And download it. It's Paytm's first game app, and they have dozens of apps, not dozens, like thousands of apps. So go enjoy yourself and make the best use of this time with your loved ones, with your friends, with unknown people. It's so much fun to play games with unknown people who you do not know, because you can start making friends also with them. Then you can add them in your friend list also. I think that's also a lot of fun. So people who are asking me what is my username, so I use this. I use my dad's phone, so that's why it is Sandeep, because even he plays a lot of games on this phone and on this app, on the Paytm's first game app. So guys, download the app. If you haven't, go on my bio and click on the link and download the app. And stay healthy, stay home until next time. मैं नहीं बोलने वाली कि मैं ऑफलाइन जा रही हूँ एनीथिंग. पता चला कुछ और आ गया. मैं वापस आ गई and suddenly I get an idea. So I won't say that. And also why have I tied my hair? Because I have oil in my hair and it's damn hot. I can't leave it open at all. I cannot. But take care. And yes, I do check DMs. Although I check everything nowadays. I check sab kuch. So lots of love to you all. And I know you all love hearing me talk, but अब मेरा time up हो गया है because it's 7:30 and I need to eat खाना. Okay, so take care guys, stay home, and also download the app, Paytm's first game app. So download and play lots of games and enjoy yourself. Stay happy, stay smiling, and download the game.